So today, thought I'd give my new Road Glide a little wash down, a little wipe down. Still pretty dirty, I can tell in different places, but there she is. 2017 Road Glide. She's real cute. I guess I should take this off of here. There she is. Just didn't get her right there, did I? Let's have a listen. It's nowhere near like my old bike. Here we go. There she is. Ah, there we are. She's a beauty. All I ever dreamed of. Get a motorcycle and then some. Having said all that, it's 100% stock. So I've gone with High Flow Air Filter by K&N. So it's the stock replacement shape. Didn't go any fancy, a big blower or anything like that. Couldn't afford it. And once again, I went with the DynoJet Power Commander. This is so that'll go in under the seat, and then these pipes, they have like catalytic converters, and so that you know, it's a lot quieter, a lot more restrictive. Basically, is what it is. My friend has a set of pipes for me. Header and the slip-ons. So yeah, we're gonna swap those out at some point too. It's my man Steve from off the team. Yeah. So that's what we're doing today. Probably take her out for a little ride too.